Dear brother and sister, Assalamu.Alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to Quran Teacher Online, a trustworthy online platform for kids and adults who want to learn the correct way of reading Quran. Do you live in non-Arabic country or somewhere away from Islamic center and find it difficult to Quran and Islamic teaching? Do you have a busy schedule and find it hard to continuously attend Quran classes? Then Quran Teacher Online is for you. We have a team of Islamic scholars and technology experts who wish to provide Islamic knowledge for the people across the world. At Quran Teacher Online, we offer one-on-one online classes on Zoom, WhatsApp, and Skype with a personal tutor. Our courses include Basic Qaida, Quran reciting course, and Quran memorization course. We also provide additional valuable courses like Islamic studies, basic applications, and Islamic manners. Getting started is easy. Simply register, take a try class, and enroll the course. What makes us special? Highly qualified staff with full knowledge of Islam. A dedicated tutor for every single student. The schedule of classes according to you, prefer the monthly progress sent to parents. Just a 2-day free try class. Like, comment, and share the video.